I'm showing you just a small part of round 4 of this mosaic crochet square. So whenever you work, this is UK terminology, double crochets, they are worked through the back loop only. So there's one of those. Now I'm working a treble, and that goes over the top and into the front loop of the same colour stitch underneath the next one. Yarn over and do a treble as normal. Then I have one more double again through the back loop, whoops. And then the corner through the back loop, one double, 2 chain, through the next one, 1 double. 1 double in the next stitch, and then one more treble over the front into that front loop. There.